How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and yes, it's been a while. Before I get this video started, tell you what I've been going on and what's going on. Thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. This little redneck from Arkansas will never ask you for anything. All right. With that being said, guys. Yeah, I've been gone a while, and I'm still going to be gone a while, guys. I'm just doing a little update video, tell you what's going on, because I've had a lot of people ask, where have I been, what's been going on, and everything and stuff. So, this video, I have been working on a model, I'll show you, but there's really not a whole lot going on. It's just a lot of family stuff. Y'all know my father died, passed away a year ago or so. We've just now finished up, all the stuff that we needed to do and everything and stuff. And I inherited a lot of land, and with that too, I inherited an older brother I got to take care of too. And so, with that being said, I've been selling some land. I've kept, 11 acres. I've sold off a buttload, and like I said, I'm taking care of my older brother. He has to have help taking care of him, and that falls on me now. My mom's gone, my dad's gone, and it just leaves it up to me. So I take him to doctor's appointments. I take him to town. I take him to get food. I take care of him. And I'm putting him out on my land, and I'm having to have a septic tank put in, water put in, and all kinds of stuff I'm having done. And guys, I've just not had time for anything. And and then too, all the other stuff I do, and stuff. It's just not working third shift. I've not had time to watch videos hardly. Very few videos I've watched. I'm hoping by fall everything's going to kind of slow down and y'all start seeing me a little bit more. And I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I've not been out there, and I have missed y'all. I've missed this community. But family comes first, and and two, it's my granddaughters. They've been having birthdays. This, that. It's just all kinds of stuff going on. It's just. There's not been time for modeling much, I'm sorry, but it is just a hobby, guys. It is just plastic model cars, it's toys, yeah, that is what it is, guys. But I will turn this around, show you what I'm working on. I have bought a lot of models. I've been still buying models, guys. I've gotten a bunch of stuff in, and eventually I'll do some unboxings on stuff. I bought me a bunch of these, what is that, Fernando Pinto models you can see right there. All Ferraris, all Le Mans cars, of course, certainly, Fernando Pinto wire wheels, they're excellent, full engine detail, great stuff. Eventually I will do unboxings on stuff. I got this in. It was a marketplace find the other day. Unbuilt, complete. Man, that was $75, guys. Marketplace, watch it. Shoot, I've got a bunch of vintage kits in. Hang with me. Yeah. I don't know if you can see some of these, guys. I've got some vintage finds in marketplace and stuff like that. Very, very good stuff. Like I said, really good stuff. Let's see. I'm working on a 3D printed, and I bought a bunch of 3D printed stuff from Australia. And I will showcase Dwayne from Australia. He's Mr. Retro. He's on Facebook, and he does MG Midgets, Austin Haley Sprite, all kinds of cars. Dude he was an auto designer, and he knows what he's doing. And I'll show you those sometime in the near future. And I bought a bunch of that stuff. I mean, I love it. I love it. Of course, you know me being an MG owner, MG Midget, I bought like 5 of them kits, dude. I mean, full engine detail, wire wheels, steel wheels, hubcaps. It don't matter. Y'all's gonna have to go check them out. What I'm working on right now is a 3D print that Justin from J Hart Models, I will leave a link in the description below, he had sent me. I seen James Tester showcase it on his video here a while back, and it was the Aston Martin DBR1 Le Mans car, and it's a Bill, I hope I don't butcher the name, Bingham Design. Y'all know he's on Facebook too, and he's a well-known modeler throughout the community, modeling world, and he 3D designs, and he gives his prints away for free. Of course, I don't have a 3D printer, so I have to ask people to do that for me, and I pay them or whatever, And Justin, I asked him, I said, man, will you print me off one of them? That's a must-have. That's like one of my favorite cars of all time. And he printed me off 2. And I got one. The only thing I had to do is it didn't come with the windshield, the glass stuff. He gave me the bucks for it, the headlight covers and stuff. Well, I've solved that problem. I went and bought me a vacuum form machine, and I form my own glass and stuff. As long as I got the bucks, I form it now. So good deal. And I'm going to shut up, turn you around, and show you what I've gotten done. And let me just do that real quick. All right, guys, I'm back. Before I show you this, I'm going to show you what I started with. Justin has sent me 2 of these. I'm going to show you how good his stuff is. This is how the body comes. Comes in. It's a little bit harder to get off with one hand, guys. There you go. You see that right there? Awesome stuff, guys. Yeah, it's been sanded on a little bit and everything. Of course, it is resin. It is 3D resin. You do have to do sanding. You have to make stuff fit. But it's still, other than that, it goes together almost like a model kit, guys. I mean, if not better than a model kit. Here's my vacuum former for the glass. I've also gotten from Robert Bishop, R&B Model Works. I've also got a 3D print of his, and it is the 69 Rambler, like that model kit right there. It's not the Johan kit. This is its own. It's way better as far as accuracy and stuff like that. And then he's also printing me off a Javelin like this, an AMX. The dude is awesome. Y'all have to check him out too. This was the car I was telling you about from Australia. It is the MG Midget. The hood opens. It's got engine detail. Comes wire wheels, steel wheels, hubcaps. I mean, dude, I will showcase that sometime soon too when I get a chance. I'm just glad that y'all are sticking with me, even though I can't be here right now. But this is what I'm working on right here. Get it up here. This is the Aston Martin DB1 Le Mans car. You can see I've gotten the interior done up, the knobs, shifter, no seat belts. This car would not have had seat belts back then. It was not a regulation. They didn't have them. There's the engine wired up. And let me tell you something about it. I already got a spot on it, which is alright. I got another one to build. Building it anyway, because what pissed me off about this one anyway is I dropped it. You can see right there it's split. That stuff's like glass, guys. It is like glass. And I wasn't about to start over again, because I do have another one. So this is what it is. It'll look good on my display. I don't care. It might not be a show car for a model show, but the grill busted. I'm going to have to fix it. But I still got a lot to do, but hey, I'll keep you updated. I got pictures. Here's the wire wheels, the 3D printed wire wheels. It's got knockoffs that I'll be putting on it. And I'll still have the numbers and all that. And here is the vacuum formed windshield and the vacuum formed headlight covers. I got the bucks right here, you know, for it and everything. And that's what that machine is right there, guys. If y'all have the means, get you one. A lot of these 3D printed companies, sometimes they send you a vacuum form glass, sometimes they don't. If they don't, they'll send you bucks. This thing right here is well worth it. The way it works, I know my bench is a mess, guys, I'm sorry, but the way it works, you plug the vacuum in here. Here's the attachment right there. You put your shop vacuum that's got a hose. You turn it on right here, let it start heating up. You take this out right here, and you pull that apart. It comes apart. It's with magnets. You set the plastic sheet in this thing right here. You put it back in here. See, it just goes up there with magnets, just stays right there. And what you do is, when this thing heats up, the plastic will drop. You'll have your buck in here, turn your vacuum on, and drop it down. And that's how it forms. Super simple, guys, super simple. And if y'all need to know what color this is of the model that I just painted, it's that Tamiya Pearl Green and the clear coat, of course. But all right, guys, I appreciate y'all sticking with me. It's a mess in here, guys. It is a total mess in here, guys. But I appreciate y'all for sticking with me, and hopefully soon I'll get back after it. Like I said, whenever I can get back after it, I will. But till then, I just figured I'd give y'all an update. All right, love you guys. Bye.